Have an old, dull chair collecting dust? Don't throw it away. With just a little paint, creativity, and DIY magic, you can transform it into a stylish, modern masterpiece. This easy, budget-friendly project will make you rethink tossing old furniture. Let's get started. You pull an old wooden chair from the garage. It's chipped, faded, and far from stylish, but beneath the wear and tear, you see potential. This chair is about to get a whole new life. To bring your vision to life, you gather sandpaper, paint, brushes, a staple gun, and fresh upholstery fabric. The excitement builds as you lay out your tools, ready to start the transformation. Sanding down the rough edges, you remove years of grime and smooth out imperfections. It's a satisfying step that preps the surface for a fresh coat of paint. With a bold stroke, you apply the first coat of paint. Whether it's a trendy pastel or a chic matte black, your chair instantly starts to look more stylish and fresh. The worn-out seat cushion needs an upgrade. You carefully stretch a stunning new fabric over the seat, staple it securely, and admire the luxurious new look. Your once drab chair is now a dreamy masterpiece, ready to brighten up your space. You place it in a cozy corner of your home, feeling proud of your DIY success. Why buy new when you can transform the old? This easy DIY chair makeover proves that a little effort can make a huge difference. Try it out and give your home a fresh, stylish touch without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY transformations.